So I thought I'd update you on the fix for the skipping feed rollers for my Grizzly model 891 planer. Grizzly has sent me these two sprockets and this chain to fix the issue. Unfortunately, this is the wrong chain. That's this chain, and I needed this chain. I did swap out the sprockets. Temporarily, it seemed to fix the issue, but I didn't really understand why, and I can't say I had a lot of confidence that it would stay fixed, and it didn't. I got to my next project, which was planing some cherry, and sure enough, first pass through, it did that little thump skip thing. I'll show you that again. I'll contact Grizzly and see what they say, but I'm not even convinced that just sending me this chain will fix the problem, because I think it might come down to a design issue. The distance between these sprockets is too far apart. I mean, a chain is a discrete entity. Now, another fix would be to install a tensioner like you see on the chain that connects the two drive rollers. But I don't see how you'd do that as a retrofit. If I were a machinist, I guess I could. Anyway, I'll show you what's happening, and I'll get back in touch with Grizzly and see what they say about getting this fixed.